Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair dropped 0.4% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.9% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair fell 0.4% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair rose 0.4% in the last session, after gaining as much as 2% during the session. The CCI is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Federal Reserve's plans for a prolonged period of elevated interest rates could continue pressuring stocks and bonds in coming months, though some investors doubt the central bank will stick to its guns. Bitcoin network energy emissions are falling as miners switch to renewable power sources, now estimated to be more than 50% of energy consumption. Bitcoin's hash rate has continued to increase, yet its emissions intensity has been trending down, contrary to most other countries. The pound fell to its lowest since March after the Bank of England held interest rates steady, following a cooler-than-expected inflation print the previous day.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 1700 hours GMT. The Dutch gross domestic product at 0430 GMT, Japan's BOJ interest rate decision at 0300 hours GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy statement will be released at 0300 hours GMT. The UK's retail sales at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.